Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your Earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Pro. To enter prank mode, firstly open the charging case. If your earbuds have no more connection, it will enter to prank mode automatically and you will see it at the device list. But also we can enter to prank mode manually by press and hold this connection button at the front side of the charging case. Just press and hold on it, 1, 2 and 3, and you will also enter to prank mode and you will also see it at the device list. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!